Good morning, children. Today we are going to do some textual exercises from Lesson 5, A Different Kind of School. In the previous class, I did not tell you to copy down word meaning, but today you have to write down some of the word meaning and you will write only the ones that I tell you to write. Alright? So listen to me carefully. Number 1, you will write inside, which means to be seen. Then move on to page 57. You will write the meaning of kindly, which is friendly, plump, stout, pleasantly fat, responsible, aware of their duties. Then page 58, you will write hopeless with its meaning here. Then misfortune. Then move on to the next page, page 59. Misery, thoughtless, awful, ghastly. Page 60. Troublesome. And then there's page 62. Gradually. Alright, you have to write down those words that I have read out in your notebook. Okay, is that clear? I hope you know what to do. Now moving on to the next page, page 63, working with language, exercise A. I gave this exercise as a homework in the last class. So today we are going to discuss the answer. I want you to make correction if necessary. Alright? Homesick means wanting to be home. Practically means almost. It pains me means it hurts me. Appreciate means understanding the difficulties. Thoughtless means not very caring. Exercise means test the strength of. Relief means a welcome change. Ghastly means terrible. Alright, I already told you how to write. Homesick, you will write a small hyphen, small dash, and then write its answer beside it. Homesick, wanting to be home. Practically, almost, it pains me, it hurts me. Appreciate, understanding the difficulties. Thoughtless, not very caring. Exercise, test the strength of. Relief, a welcome change. Ghastly, terrible. Like that, you will write it down in your notebook. If you need to make correction, please make your correction now. And now for today's work, we are going to do exercise B. Exercise B, reword these lines from the story. Reword means you have to change some of the words without losing their meanings. Do you understand? You will reword and you will rewrite the answer. First, you will copy this whole thing, reword these lines from the story. Then you will write number 1, copy the question. And then in a paragraph, you will write the answer like this. The answer is, I had come to know a lot about Miss Beam's school. I had come to know a lot about Miss Beam's school. Number 2, Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, full of authority. So this one we will reword and rewrite as, Miss Beam was exactly as I had thought her to be. Dash, middle-aged, instead of middle-aged, we are going to use aged between 45 to 65, comma. Instead of full of authority, we will write with the power to give orders, ORDERS. Moving on to number 3, I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. This we will rewrite and reword as, I went to the window from where I could see a garden of a large size. I went to the window from where I could see a garden of a large size. All right. Last one. We cannot bandage the children's mouths, so they really have to exercise their willpower. We will rewrite and reword the answer as, it is not possible to cover the children's mouths, comma, so they really have to test the strength of their self-control or determination. Let me repeat. It is not possible to cover the children's mouths, comma, so they really have to test the strength of their self-control or determination. That is the answer. I hope you have understood, and please make sure that you do your work in your notebook. All right, write neatly with correct spellings, and when you finish, draw a line, draw a long line. All right, that is all for today. Thank you.